Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the sound test of the both Rockerz 250. Now these are in-ear style earphones which are waterproof. I've already tested it in the water, so it's IP67 rated earphones. So generally you don't get these kind of earphones. The ones that you get is like IPX4 rated ones, which are just splash proof. So I've already done quite a few videos on them, but then I got a lot of requests to do a complete sound test on this. So that's why I'm going to do the complete sound test. Now this video will consist of the bike test, the mall test, the traffic test, all of that. So let's start with the bike test first. So I'll ride the bike without a helmet. Then I'll wear a helmet with the visor open. That will simulate open face helmet. Then I'll wear the helmet with the visor closed. So it will simulate a closed face helmet. Okay, so let's start the test. Now all the sound that you'll be hearing in this entire video will be from the earphone mic. So if you're not able to hear me well, or if there's a problem, it's because of the mic. It's not because of the phone. So let's start the test. I ride a Royal Enfield, so Thunderbird, so that itself makes a lot of sound. But generally, mics don't have a problem with that. Mics have a problem with wind. And my personal experience with this one is that this picks up a lot of wind because the mic hangs out. So because of that, it catches a lot of wind. Change the camera angle. Okay. So hopefully you're able to hear it. Okay, now once you wear the helmet, the mic gets hidden over here, so that will take care of a lot of the wind sound. Let's see if it helps. I'll ride a little faster. Now let's go ahead and close the helmet. Now once you close the helmet, there's an echo creator which will travel down, and normally that helps people hear you better. So I should be more audible now. Now, in theory, that's what should happen, but I'll only get to know when we reach home and then I edit the video. Okay, so that's it for the bike test. Now let's go to the mall and do the rest of the test. Okay, so we're walking inside the mall now. So a lot of people, a lot of coming around, doing a lot of music, a lot of people talking. So hopefully you're able to hear me. Okay, so we're walking outside the mall. There is a fair going on, a lot of stalls here. So hopefully you can hear me. A lot of people, a lot of music, and some construction work going on, which will uh, come into the mic. Hopefully you're able to hear me. Okay, so we're doing the traffic test now. A lot of traffic, and as you know, people don't stop over here for red lights and stuff. So you have to be very careful. Now, hopefully you're able to hear me. A lot of honking. Okay, so we are doing the water test now. So I'm standing next to 70 water fountain. So you should be able to hear a lot of water sounds. Now, my experience has been that water sound doesn't really affect that much, but on some earphones, even that is a scenario that you have to look into. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now, the mic quality is pretty good except for wind noise. Now, one problem that I have is like you can even see it right now. This is so light because the mechanism is not in this. The entire mechanism is in the earphone itself. So this is so light that it doesn't stay down. So it just pops out that way. So that's why it kind of looks weird because it's going on doing this. The sound that you're hearing is from this mic itself, so you'll know what kind of quality do you get with the mic. So the sound quality is good. It's just that I don't like this moving that much. Wind sound is a problem, but that's a problem with most of the earphones. So coming to sound quality of the earphone. Now these are both rocker series, so they are not emphasized mainly on low end bass, but the mids and the highs are balanced. So it doesn't have too much of treble, so it's balanced. The mids are also balanced. You can hear the vocals pretty clear. The bass is amped up a little, so not too much. So whatever music that you'll hear, it will have bass in it. It will not have too much of low end bass, but it will have bass. So if you're not a bass fan, then I'll not suggest this one to you because it will have a little bit of bass. Why am I saying that is because these are IP67 rated waterproof earphones. I use them in the swimming pool also. Yes, it does not work underwater because Bluetooth doesn't work, but nothing will happen to it. Now, because of that, it's sealed shut. When it's sealed shut, there's no escape for air. So when a speaker vibrates, the diaphragm vibrates, air is pulled in and pushed out. So this does not have that. So because of that, it is closed, and when you listen to bassy music, it creates a vacuum in your ear. So people who are not used to bassy music, or who don't like bassy music, this will give them a headache. So a lot of people have this problem that this gives them a headache after maybe half an hour to 1 hour of usage. So in case you are one of those people who do not like bass, then I'll not suggest this to you. But this is one of my favorites because I can use it wherever I want. It has so many attachments. So the pack actually, this actually comes with so many attachments that you can customize it according to whatever you want. The wires can be shortened, it can be taken from the back, wherever you feel like. So a lot of customization options available, but please try it first because this does not fit everyone's ears because of the square shape. So I'll be talking about all that in the full review, which I'll do soon. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.